Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to Optech Traders. First of all, thank you very much for your 50 views of my previous video. This motivation was required for an initial start. For the first video, 50 plus views itself is really overwhelming. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please shower your love and blessings on this video also. Hence, request you to kindly like, share, and subscribe our channel. Coming to analysis, today's video is going to be a little long because we have two expiries, and this video will include a weekly review for bank nifty. This is only for bank nifty analysis will follow in a separate video. So let's dig in. Okay, where we were? Yeah. So starting with bank nifty, in my previous video, we had clearly mentioned the levels as 43,700, 43,850 and 44,000. And then in a free Telegram channel, we had mentioned our trade plan. And this is the screenshot for it. Okay. So what we mentioned here in our screenshot was, in our personal trade plan was, we'll see if market opens gap down, and then we'll wait for it to take support, and we'll have a CE bias. Okay, if market opens flat, we will shut our account and sleep, since then we will have a range bound market. If market opens gap up, then I'll wait for a pullback. Pullback is like where it goes up and then it comes back. This is called as a pullback. This is pullback. Okay, so this is where you take because our bias is C, so we'll take an entry here. So we'll wait for a pullback and then enter in C or P based on the price, how it reacts. So this was our complete trade plan. And what happened? So let's see what happened. So market opened gap down. We had taken C as BTST. Whoever is there in our Telegram group knows what BTST we had given. So we had taken C as BTST. Here we were under minus 100 points loss. However, since our bias was C and it took support at 43,600 level, this was our positional target as well, positional support as well. So we held our C, and then this went up till 43,700, and this is where we booked our BTST of C at cost. Okay, so we were not in loss in a BTST, and our view was, since it was in C side, we held it, we held the view and we did it. Okay, so now so since after we exited our BTST it cost to cost, we took an entry with for a breakout of at a breakout of 43,700 level, which was our level. So this was the signal candle and this was the confirmation. We took an entry and our stop loss was hit at this candle. So this is where our SL was hit. So we took the SL because SL is required. So we took the SL and then we waited for the next confirmation. So we got the next confirmation at this level, which was 43,600, which is again our positional level, support level. Hence we took an C entry here again, and we booked half quantity at 43,700 level and trailed it to 43,850. This was our target, which we booked completely. So we actually captured this long move where most of most of the traders missed. So this long move, generally nobody trades, nobody catches it because nobody knows about it. But since we were doing a level play game, we captured this on a trailing stop loss. Not that we had a new entry. Of course, if you talk about new entry, we had not taken any new entry. It was a trailing stop loss entry. Okay, so we captured this big move and we were in good profit. So now, if you need how to trail SL in options using spot chart, do comment on this video. I'll post a video on the same. We'll have a separate video where you actually how you trail SL based on spot chart. Okay. So now, what to expect on Monday and for the next week. So let us put daily chart and analyze what will happen for the next week. Okay, so on a daily chart, if you see this pattern, this is a nice reversal pattern. It's a reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern. If anybody knows about candlestick patterns, so they will know this is a reversal pattern. That's one reason. Second, if you see, this is a support zone, this is a support zone, and this is a support zone. Now, how do you say particularly this support zone is? Because if you see, when market went from 43,600 to 46,400, which is close to about 2,800 points movement, and then when it corrected, it took support at this level at 43,600 again, and then again it bounced back, and then in this correction it has again tested this level. It is at this level right now. Okay, so there's one support, there's a second support. Now it's not only about supports. If you see, market when it rallied from 39,000, it went up, took a resistance here, which is again 43,600 level. So our analysis is completely based on past history. Okay, we do not talk about any magical levels. These are only levels based on past history, and it works magically, trust me. So this is the zone which it consolidated before giving a good bull run. So in this zone, if you see, the bottom was always 43,600. So 43,600 is actually a major support level, which is not to be discounted. Okay, so how for a positional trader, for a weekly trader or a positional trader, how he has to play on these positional levels, because it is at the support level. And also if you see Nifty is also at 19,500, which is also a strong support, which has also made the similar kind of pattern. So how do you actually trade here at a support level? So generally, market scenario, if it is at a support level, you will take a C entry, right? But what if it breaks? Because it is tested already two times. If a support level is tested on a higher time frame, remember, the support becomes weaker. So how to trade in this? So you have to wait for a Monday closing. So on Monday, imagine we have a gap down. On Monday, we have a gap down. Let me put a 5-minute chart. Okay. Yeah. So on Monday, if we have a gap down opening, at 43,600 or 43,500 levels, wait for a pin bar candle. Now, what is a pin bar candle? If you want to learn that, then join our Telegram channel and wait for a comment on this video. I will also have a video where how to identify reversal candles on a lower time frame, which is 5-minute time frame. That video I'll post. Okay, so now if it sustains this two levels, please enter in C with a strict stop loss of 43,475. This will be a strict stop loss. Okay, for a target of 43,700, 43,850. So at 43,700 you de-risk. What is de-risk? You exit 50% of your quantity, and balance quantity you trail SL. Okay, till 43,850. Okay, so this becomes your Monday trade plan. Now, what if it breaks 43,500 in the opening candle? So if it breaks 43,500 at the opening candle, enter in P with 43,650 as your SL, and your target will be 43,350. Now the risk reward ratio is good here, considering 150 points of your SL and target being close to about 150 again. So it's a 1:1 reward ratio. Okay, but I would suggest not to do this trade. Reason being, Tuesday is a holiday, Wednesday is one day which you'll get, so there will be a theta decay. So please do not trade in options considering a PE trade. But if you find 43,500 level broken with a confirmation candle, then 43,525 will be your SL with a target of 43,350. This will give you a proper risk reward ratio. Okay, and what if it falls directly to 43,500, 43,350? How to trade? Wait for it to take a reversal. If it takes a reversal, enter in C for the target of 43,500, and then 43,600 will be your final target, because it will reject at 43,600 level and it will fall down. Okay, so this is how you trade on Monday. This should be your trade plan for Monday. For a proper trade plan, I will post it on my free Telegram group, where I will actually post it on Monday morning before the pre-opening, how to trade and why to trade. Okay, so mark the levels, watch the video multiple times to understand, join our Telegram group for a daily trade plan which is for free, and trade profitably. Please like, share and subscribe. Do comment on this video to understand if I'm making any mistake. Please help me improve. It's completely free for you, but it makes a lot of difference for us and gives motivation to give you a good content in future. Thank you, good night and happy trading.